Hello kids. Today we draw numbers. Blue color, red color. Kids, the next one is yellow color. Now we use green color, yellow ochre color, black color. First we draw the number of 1. Blue color. The next one is 2. Now we draw 3. Now we use red color and draw 4. Red color. The next one is 5. Now we draw the number of 6. Kids, now we draw 7 and use yellow color. Number of 7. The next one is 8. Now we draw 9 and use green color. Now we draw 10. Kids, today we draw numbers 1 to 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.